Close your eyes for a moment. Now imagine a world where you never have to open them again. Because sleep no longer exists. No exhaustion. No night. No dreams. What if humans never needed sleep? At first, it sounds like the greatest evolutionary upgrade imaginable. An extra 8 hours every single day. More time to work, to learn, to build, to live. But this question isn't really about time. It's about what sleep protects us from, because sleep is not just rest. It is a boundary, a pause, a reset button for the human mind. And removing it would change everything. Let's begin with the most obvious. Transformation. Time would explode right now. Humans spend roughly 1/3 of their lives asleep. That's nearly 25 years for an average person. If sleep vanished, humanity would instantly gain billions of conscious hours every day. Cities would never shut down. Lights would never turn off. There would be no after hours. Every city on Earth would resemble a massive, glowing organism, alive, awake, and restless at all times. Traffic would never truly stop. Construction would never pause. The phrase open 24/7 would lose all meaning. At first, productivity would skyrocket. Companies would double output. Scientists would accelerate research. Students would learn faster than ever before. But something subtle would begin to break. Because time without sleep has no rhythm. Days would lose their edges. Weeks would blur. Life would feel continuous, endless, and humans are not built for endless and ess. The human brain without sleep is not a luxury. It is neurological maintenance. While you sleep, your brain cleans itself. It reorganizes memories. It regulates emotions. It stabilizes your sense of reality. If humans evolved without the need for sleep, the brain would have to become something entirely different, either far more resilient or dangerously overloaded. Memory would improve at first. You would remember conversations more clearly. Details would stick longer, but eventually, the problem wouldn't be forgetting. It would be remembering too much. Without sleep to filter and discard information, the brain would accumulate everything, every mistake. Every insult, every moment of fear, trauma would never soften with time. Grief would not fade. Naturally, regret would replay endlessly. Emotional wounds would stay sharp. Society might become more intelligent, but also more anxious, more irritable, more aggressive. Sleep is what dulls emotional edges. Without it, humanity would feel too much too often. Mental health in a sleepless world today. Lack of sleep is directly linked to depression, anxiety, paranoia, and emotional instability. Now, imagine a world where sleep simply does not exist at all. There would be no mental shutdown, no safe unconsciousness. No escape. The mind would be permanently online. Psychological pressure would accumulate nonstop. People wouldn't break down suddenly. They would slowly erode. Emotional burnout would replace physical exhaustion. And therapy, meditation, and chemical regulation would become essential survival tools. Mental health would no longer be a personal issue. It would become a global infrastructure problem. Dreams would disappear. No, consider something more haunting. Dreams would vanish. No surreal landscapes. No symbolic visions. No subconscious storytelling. Some of humanity's greatest ideas came from dreams. Scientific breakthroughs, musical compositions, artistic visions. Without dreams, creativity would change shape. Art would become more calculated. Music would become more technical. Stories would become more logical and less mysterious. The unconscious mind, as we understand it, might never exist. There would be no Freudian symbolism. No dream interpretation. No what if. Worlds born from sleep. Mythology would shrink. Spiritual imagination would weaken. Human culture would lose its shadow. And shadows are where meaning often lives. Childhood would end earlier without sleep. Children would not need bedtimes. At first, this sounds freeing, but in reality, childhood would become shorter. Kids would be expected to stay productive longer, learn more, develop faster. Playtime would compete directly with performance. Innocence would be compressed. A sleepless society would value efficiency over wonder. In childhood, wonder does not survive. Efficiency, relationships. Without sleep, sleep gives relationships space. Arguments pause. Overnight. Emotions cool down. Perspective returns. In a sleepless world, there would be no let's talk about this tomorrow. Conflicts would last longer. Tension would linger. Silence would feel heavier. Couples would spend more time together, but not necessarily better time. Loneliness would become more intense, because night would no longer offer solitude or relief. There would be no quiet hours to miss someone. No darkness to soften absence. Power, control, and surveillance. Here is where things become truly unsettling. In a world without sleep, humans would be always available. Always reachable. Always observable. Always responsive. There would be no night to hide in. No darkness for privacy. No downtime to disconnect. Surveillance would no longer need force. Control would come from constant presence. Governments and corporations would gain unprecedented influence over attention, behavior, and emotion. The most powerful entities would not control land or weapons. They would control focus. Because when people never sleep, attention becomes the most valuable resource on Earth. Inequality would deepen. Sleep is the last universal equalizer. Everyone must sleep, rich or poor, powerful or weak. Without it, inequality would expand dramatically. Those with resources would optimize endlessly, learning, improving, upgrading. Those without would struggle to keep up mentally and emotionally. A sleepless world would reward endurance, not balance. Human worth would be measured by output, and anyone who couldn't maintain constant performance would fall behind. What would we become? A world without sleep would be more productive, more efficient, more advanced, but also colder, more anxious, less forgiving. Because sleep doesn't just rest the body, it gives us mercy, it gives us forgetting, it gives us emotional repair. Sleep reminds us that we are not machines, and maybe that's the point. Sleep is not a flaw in human design, it is a safeguard. So the real question isn't, what if humans never needed sleep? The real question is, what part of ourselves would we lose if we didn't? And if technology ever offers us a future where sleep becomes optional, we should be very careful before accepting it, because a world that never sleeps may also forget how to dream.